Yeah, hello friends. I'm out today on my Honda CB500F because I want to do a little bit, a small investigation about, I want to know how many RPMs I have at certain speeds, because later I will make a mod on this bike uh, to make it have a little bit longer gears. So I have 50 km per hour and 2500 RPMs. I will go to 70. And there it's 3700. And I will go to 90. No, I go to 80. Relax it. 80 is 4100. And then I go to 110. And that is 5600. Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, hello friends. I received something here in the mail that I'm not sure if it fits, but it comes from, it's actually from Sweden. Things like that you don't know when you order things on eBay, but it's actually from Sweden, south of Sweden. And the delivery time was about 3 days, so it's pretty okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, smarty. So it's a JT Sprocket. I don't know. Yeah, I heard of the brand, but I don't know the quality. But it's probably okay. So, and it's some kind of rubber mounted. So this will be interesting. Let's get started. Yeah, I got the bike on a normal paddock stand in the back, and actually I got one in the front too. It's very easy because the bike is on the paddock stand, and we will try to knock this. Oh, first I want to do something. I want to take a caliper and check to see how much they have adjusted this chain tensioner. So it's 16.5 right side, and it's actually 16.5 on the other side. Amazing! I make a note of that because I never remember anything. 16.5. It will not be the same. I just want to know what it was before I started. Okay, so let's take this off. Yeah. Good. Okay. Now for this. What was that? Yeah, so if I'm very lucky, I don't have to remove the engine guard here, if I'm lucky. But the gear in the gear shifter. I have to remove it, and it's a couple of bolts there and there, and I think there is some kind of cable tie down there. There, that bolt there, and that one. Let's see what happened. I don't know really. Never done this before on this pipe. Okay. Oh no, I have to go wash my hands. I hate this. So this thing is kind of a chain guard that will prevent the chain from crushing the engine if it breaks. And I suspect when I put on a larger front sprocket, it's only one tooth, but I'm pretty sure I have to grind this down, so I marked it with a line. I don't know if you can see it. So I will grind it down to about that and see if that is enough. So yeah, this is noisy, so I will be back after I done that. Bye. Yeah, as you can see, I thinned it out a little bit, a couple of mils, maybe an eighth of an inch. 3 millimeters about. So I hope it will work now. I hope it will fit. Yeah, in here by close to the sprocket or that housing there. This going to need a good clean, so I will use some WD-40 or something to get that crap out of there. Yeah, very good. Haha. Shiny. 16 teeth, 15 teeth. Hehehe. Yeah, will it fit? I'm not so sure, but I hope so. Yeah, I have a little problem here. I will grind that down and then it's fine. I'm using just a little bit of grease. It's actually assembly paste on this nut. I don't want to use Loctite and things like this. So just give it a little bit of a up. A little bit more. Like that. And it's okay. Come on. Oh yeah. There it is. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Yeah, that's nice. This one. There. Yeah, I adjusted the chain to spec and now I'm just tighten it up a little bit. And now we go and get the torque wrench. Yeah, the torque spec is 88 Newton meter.
Okay. No. Men för fan. Okay, testing. GPS speed and RPM. Sixth gear, oh, it don't like. I'll go to 50 and check the RPM. And it's here. 2,100. 60. $2,800. 70. 3,200. 80. Oh. 80 is 3,900. 90. Uh, 4,500. See if I can get 110 here. No, it didn't quick. $5,100. 5,100. I can do it one more time because it was not stable. $100, 4,500. $110. Okay, come on. $5,000. 5,000. Yes. Yeah, that was a nice ride. See if I can... Yeah, I don't remember the old numbers, so it will be super interesting.